They can be found in the jungles of South America. So in the wild, after feeding, they will go to rocky areas just like these to lick up clay or chalk. Now this will help them with the digestion of any unripe nuts or fruits that they have eaten. Will definitely be getting stopped. Now birds, they often gather food for their young, especially during nesting season. This morning we will have a competition and they will name supporters. People over here, you will support Zonda the blue and gold macaw. I need all of you to clap your hands and shout his name just like this. Zonda, Zonda, come on. Louder.
Zonda.
So, very good. People on this side, you will support Barry the green-winged macaw. Same thing, clap your hands and shout his name, Barry. Wow, excellent cheering. Now birds to the table. Now we have 4 fruits on each side of the table. Supporters, are you ready? Birds ready and go!